In Abidjan, the heart of Côte d'Ivoire, 20 scientists from 9 nations came together to advance research and collaboration on marine biodiversity conservation. Along a coastline where small-scale fisheries sustain millions, these researchers shared knowledge, built networks, and mastered third-generation sequencing, a transformative tool for identifying species and supporting sustainable conservation.
Hosted at the Université Nangui Abrogoua, this intensive workshop immersed participants in both practical and theoretical aspects of third-generation sequencing. From DNA extraction to library preparation, the compact and portable Minion sequencer showcased how advanced techniques can be applied in resource-limited settings. As part of the West African Marine Fish Barcoding Network, known as WAMBAnet, participants worked collaboratively through the entire process. Hands-on training included mastering essential lab tools such as the multipet and the 8-channel pipette, both crucial for efficient and precise sample preparation.
So we push the knob up, we turn it till we get our 6 microliters, and this is our 6.
Participants
Push it
created video
down.
tutorials and mastered essential techniques to ensure the accuracy and efficiency of the sequencing workflow. During the workshop, 171 DNA barcodes from marine fish species were sequenced, contributing valuable data for understanding biodiversity and strengthening local research capacities.
Il y a une pile à l'intérieur, mais normalement tu mets ça comme ça, après tu prends ça verticalement, tu tires ça, après tu fais descendre le liquide.
Ah,
tu tournes,
ok.
et le liquide descend, regarde. Voilà. T'as vu?
This valuable work lays the foundation for future applications, including environmental DNA monitoring, an innovative approach with immense promise for studying marine ecosystems, invasive species, and marine protected areas.
Un très bon atelier avec des résultats très intéressants pour tous et pour tous.
Workshops like this are vital for building local capacity in advanced scientific techniques. With limited access to commercial sequencing facilities, these skills are crucial for advancing independent research and conservation efforts in West Africa, a region rich in biodiversity.
My name is Juliet Edeko from Ghana. Today is our 5th day of Mama School. So I commend the sponsors POGO, RID for sponsoring this, and they ask for more. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
The event also fostered collaboration through the West African Marine Biodiversity Network, WAMBAnet, bringing together scientists from diverse regions to share expertise and build partnerships. Participants emphasized the value of practical training and the collaborative spirit of the event, which fostered new professional connections. Through collaborations and newly acquired sequencing skills, researchers are equipped to tackle biodiversity challenges, from building reference databases to monitoring ecosystems and ensuring sustainable fisheries.
La photo et la séquence. Mais c'est quand même 2 entrées différentes. Alors,